Alrighty, got another parent-teacher conference night outfit for you. Looking good, huh? Straight off the practice field, coming in here shooting you guys some videos and girls. So, tonight we're gonna talk about special cases. Remember last chapter we talked about some of those special cases that we multiplied, how it was important to remember them? Well, here we go again. Now we're gonna worry about those special cases, taking them apart. So, a couple of things. For these fast factoring ones, if you recognize them, you'll get there a little quicker. It doesn't really take too long with fast factoring, but if you see the pattern, you'll just get there real fast. Some of you see it already, some of you not. So let's do it with just fast factoring. What multiplies to 49 and adds to 14? Well, hopefully you're thinking multiplies to 49, you're thinking 7 and 7. So you know right away this is x plus 7, x plus 7. All right? And hopefully you recognize x plus 7, something, if I multiply something by itself, that's x plus 7 squared. And you should, in the back of your mind, have that special case that we talked about, where I square the first one, multiply together and double, and then square the last one. All right, so you see here, if you recognize the pattern, you can jump right to this answer. When we have a review day, remind me to talk to you about this answer, okay? But that's for review days like next week sometime. So number 2, I've already told you about the pattern. I want you to look for it, all right? Can I put the same number that is half of this and the square root of this? So some number that gets doubled to be this and squared to be that. What is that number? -12. So you can jump, if you can figure that out, you can jump straight to -12, the quantity squared. All right, x minus 12 squared. What's number 4? So again, I'm trying to find the pattern. Anybody got it? X plus 5 squared. 3. I know, I went out of order. Big deal. Who's got it? Hopefully it jumps at you. Some of you are sitting there going, but Mr. Stevens, I can't see it. Oh my goodness, I can't figure it out. Relax. Take a deep breath. You'll be okay. This still works. You can say, hey, what multiplies to 81 and adds to -18? Still works. I come up with -9, I write it. All right? If you get this, you're on big ideas. I haven't checked this, but I think they want you to write them like this. I don't know if that's acceptable. Go ahead and check it. You get the check button. Okay? So if you don't see the pattern, it won't kill you. All right? You'll survive. Just take you a couple more steps. If you do see it, however, you can get there just a little bit faster than everybody else. What's the last one? All right. If you remember, there were 2 patterns we talked about that day. This gave me the other one. So, long story short, I'll take the long way. Some of you may be remembering, we'll take the long way first. If I see this, what's the middle number? What's the x here? Yeah, 0. So my multiply would be -64. My add would be 0. So what multiplies to -64 and adds to 0? Well, hopefully you've come up with -8 and +8. Well, there we go. And now, hopefully some bells, alarms, and whistles are going off in your head. This looks familiar. Yeah, 8 times 8, 64. Oh yeah, special case. Opposite signs, I just had to square the 2 numbers. So now if I look at number 7, I can get this one real fast, okay? I know that's x minus 5, x plus 5. No, it doesn't matter which order you write them in. By the way, this factoring shows up all the time. All the time. Shows up all the time. All right. Number 8. What do you think number 8 is going to be? So just because there's a number here, I still follow the same pattern. Square root, 3x minus 4, 3x plus 4. Doesn't change any of my rules. All right? Do 9 and 10. So, special cases, very helpful. Ask questions, get them out, get to work. Good luck.